Hi and welcome to another edition of TraderCast's Daily Market Report. Daily timeframe chart of S&P 500 appears to be topping pattern, and the current price action is testing some fairly important support levels. So if we just zoom in a bit more and see this a little bit clearly, what I'm referring to is this previous high and also this previous low and the current low at 1905, 1906 level. A loss of that level and the confirmed closure below in a daily time frame could potentially target further downside support around 1860, followed by 1804 levels, which will correspond nicely to a very basic fib retracement as well. So we're seeing this 1891, then very shortly after that we could see 1860, 1855. A loss of those two levels could potentially target this previous low here at 1814 again. Alternatively, if the current levels hold and the price moves higher, the initial resistance on the upside is at 1926, 1924 to 1926. A breakout higher and a daily close above that level could potentially target further upside around 1940, which will correspond to this falling resistance trend line that we were referring to in the past as well. And we were looking for a multiple touches of those. Only a breakthrough above that 1940 level and a closure above, so confirmed breakout, could potentially target further upside resistance around this previous highs at 1972, 1973 level. For those of us who trade in shorter term time frames, 4 hourly, 15 minutes and lower, it's important to notice a current development as well. The trend is definitely intact. The sentiment is bearish, so it will be prudent to look for the shorting opportunities, basically short the rallies. However, we can see that on a number of occasions during the past several trading days, we could see divergences with the price moving and creating lower lows and the indicators creating higher lows, pointing to a potential oversold bounce backs. So the levels that I'm keeping an eye on are still the same. 1905, 1906, it's a really important support level. A loss of that level could potentially target 1860 as a further downside support very quickly. I'm not indicating that anybody should be looking for a long setups, but the oversold bounce backs are quite possible as long as we hold current support. And in that case, we are still managing to refer to the same levels, 1920, 1926 as the upside resistance level. A breakthrough and confirmed breakthrough above that 1926 could potentially target 1940, and then we are heading towards 1972, 1973 as a further upside resistance. So hopefully this was informative, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.